Welcome, my divas and dons, to D.A.E TV. I want to thank you for tuning in, and today we're bringing you a video from the Divaz Stylez Corner. Yes, it's your girl Marlo, good to some, satin rose to others, beauty, fashion, and entertainment. And D.A.E TV is all about uplifting the queen in you. So, we have everything from making you laugh to yoga, cooking, web series to clear your mind, some drama, all the good stuff here on D.A.E TV. But today we're going to get into Divaz Stylez, all about the fashion. So I want you to stay tuned. I want you to also like, comment, and subscribe. Please, and comment. Tell me what you think about the channel. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to hear. Because guess what? I'm going to bring it to you. No cut cards. All the time. So, spread the word about D.A.E TV. And let's get into the content. Satin rose to others, beauty, fashion, and entertainment, here with a product review from Divaz Stylez. Okay, the products that I'm about to show you were not made from me, okay? I do custom designs, and I believe I will start just doing custom designs of what I design. Because now that I've been home and I had the chance to buy some samples, I'm really not pleased. I'm really not pleased. So the more and more I buy sample pieces that's on my site, I will be giving a review of it. And if I don't like it, guess what's happening? It's coming down. And then guess what's happening with what I bought? I'ma fuck it up and make it Divaz Stylez. You feel me? Okay. So this one is product number 1. And I will be showing each product from the site over here in the corner, alright, of the video. So you'll actually be able to see. So if you go to the site and you do like it, you can purchase it. That's if I keep it. Because some of these vendors are pissing me off. That's why I think my site is about to just be all custom, okay? And this is the first piece that I have on. I know I've lost weight, so maybe I should have got a smaller size. This is an extra large, but we all know women with hips, booty, and thighs. When you ordering stuff from other countries, it's sometimes not made for our body. So I tend to go up a size or 2 because I'd rather take it in than it be too small. You feel me? So I got an extra large. Even though I'm not an extra large, I've lost some weight, so it's falling off of me. But we know this is supposed to be a little tighter. The material is flimsy, but it's durable. It's durable. It's not expensive, so yeah, it's durable. But it's supposed to be a 2-piece. Here's the straps. I just don't understand. But maybe it would be better if it was smaller, like I said. So I know here is too big because this is an extra large, and I'm not an extra large. So it will probably be better. So that has a lot of people concerned. Health officials urging people to stay home in Arizona. But there are no reopening. I pull it in. Yeah, it's looking a little something. I'm looking a little something. So, what I think is I'll keep it on the site because it is kind of hot once it's fitting your body the way it's supposed to fit. And I just got a size too big. But what I'm going to do is put my touches on it because if any of you ladies want it, I will get it and customize it for you so you can look different than all of the cuties out there. But you're going to be amongst the rest, but standing out, yes. But we already know I got to take this in. Take this in and funk it up. Take it in and funk it up. Alright. Next. Okay. I've been posting this picture all over the place. It looks amazing on the picture. The picture, it even looks like the material is really soft and flowing. But the material is kind of thick. And I'm really not feeling the sleeves. So, I don't know.
Interesting, she's saying, look, obesity, regardless of your
and I'm super short, so they're really dragging the floor, so I have to.
And they can be at risk as well, yeah, the CDC came out with a document.
And see, I'm really thinking like I need to cut these arms off or redo these arms some kind of way. I definitely gonna have to shorten the legs because that's not happening, and this is gonna have to be something done. I'm gonna funk it up, y'all. Yeah, cause I don't know. Okay. I'm feeling this right here. I'm loving this right here. It is fitting me perfect. I know I need a strapless bra. You can't be wearing this. And the material is like a silky soft. Still hugs your body really well. Definitely keeping this is a thumbs up. But you know I'm still gonna funk it up because nothing stay the same in the Divaz closet. Okay, now this is me. I'm happy. Yes. And the price point is not bad. Keep it y'all. Not bad. Fits the body right. The curves it in there. Alright. Y'all said. Yeah, we gonna keep that on there, boo. We gonna keep that on there. Okay. Now this is why I decided I'm about to cut a lot of the stuff that's on my site off. Because after ordering all that stuff and half of the stuff I didn't like the way it fit, I'm not selling it to y'all. But the stuff that I created is fire. No cut cards, baby, and it fit right. Now, in certain pieces that I will keep that is essential to have in every woman's closet. Now, this right here, I'm loving this skirt. And this is from a vendor. And I'm just trying to sift out to see what vendor is best for me and my brand, okay? But I'm loving to create my own shit. See, pop that on with that, paired it up with that. We can pop some heels on, even if you have some cute little flat sandals, anything. Dress it up, dress it down. We can dress it up by, you already know, statement piece jewelry. We got this. Yeah, I'm loving my shit. Oh, let's check out some more stuff from Divaz Stylez that I created, okay? Decision, I'm done with the vendors. I'm my own vendor. What? I'm my own vendor. Yes, another Divaz Stylez collection.